Hey everyone, I'm Ismail.
I'm Isabel.
And we are from the Interior Design Department. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some simple ways to refresh your bedroom
without burning a hole in your wallet.
The bed is the focal point of the bedroom. Changing your duvet and your bed sheet to a neutral or pattern option will completely change how the bedroom look and feel.
You could also choose to layer your textile by adding colors and pattern into it. Cushion will not only make your bed look super stylish, but also provide extra support and comfort.
Next, lighting is one of the elements contributing to our sleep. In general, a darker bedroom gives us a better sleep quality.
Changing your curtain could also be one of the many ways to refresh your rooms. Play with the layerings of curtains to create different types of lighting throughout the room.
Make sure pattern is not too complicated and color matches your bedding for a cozy and calm visuals.
A warm and soft lighting can make our mind and body to feel more relaxed.
An adjustable touch light on both sides of the bed helps you read in the dark without hurting your eyes or bothering the person next to you.
We hope these tips can help you refresh your bedroom.
Thank you and hello!